Using the ramp mode, we can program an infusion divided in 3 parts. The first one will increase the flow rate until it reaches the plateau, which is the second step. And the third one that will decrease the flow rate down to 0. We confirm. Now we have to fulfill the volume to be infused. Let's put 100 milliliters and confirm. We'll select the total infusion time in 2 hours and confirm. Let's set the up ramp in 10 minutes. Confirm. The down ramp to start in the last 30 minutes and confirm. The plateau rate is automatically calculated. In case the plateau rate needs to be changed, the pump will recalculate the total time of the infusion. The KVO is optional in this mode. We can advance the infusion by pressing Next. Now we have to choose the type of therapy. We keep in parenteral and confirm. We can start the infusion by pressing the green and red key. At the upper part of the screen, we can see the indication that this is the up ramp step. At the center, we can see the flow rate, which will not be fixed. It will change during the first minute until it reaches the plateau rate. In this graph, we can see that the infusion is in the up ramp step. When the infusion reaches the plateau rate, we can see it in the graph. Each programming mode has its specific functions inside the MF. At this one, we can use the titration to change the plateau rate. Let's decrease it to 47.42 milliliters per hour. We can also adjust the ramp in the MF, but first we need to stop the infusion. We press the MF key, ramp adjust. The up ramp is already concluded, so we could change the down ramp. Let's keep it. The other functions of the MF are the same as the complete infusion. We can advance the infusion to the down ramp by pressing Stop and confirming it. Now we can see that the infusion changed to the down ramp.